Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I'm gonna cook curry. Well, I've been requested this by a really nice viewer, and she requested me if I could please show her how I make curry, Punjabi curry. So here goes. I've put the onions in. I've chopped the onions and put them in. मेरी अग जेह्ड़ी है ना, my electric ceramic hob is on 5. ते मैं 2 tomatoes लेते हैं. So I'm just golden browning the onions and brown karti paiya slightly, not too much. So yeah, this is how I cook. We make curry. My family likes it like that, pakoriyan wali. Nice khatti and mircha wali. They like it really spicy. We eat spicy food anyway. So and I'll put the tomatoes in as well. It's up to you. एक tomato palo, 2 palo, 3 palo, tadi marzi hai. Right, here are all the spices. That's garlic and ginger, red chilies, salt, haldi, chili flakes, and ajwain. And that is dhania powder. So I've put them in. Obviously, I was holding the camera with one hand. There you go. I'm going to put them in now. There. So I'm holding the camera with one hand. So yeah, you have to please just bear with me. Adik, kinna nice masala ban raha. Mashallah. Oh, I love cooking. Please comment down below if anybody else likes cooking as well. And, please subscribe, like, and share my channel. Please, people, come on. Where's all your support? And right now I'm going to make the yogurt, kind of a yogurty lassi type to put in the curry. So yeah, I was making about 3 or 4 spoons, these big spoons of, actually that's like a tablespoon of yogurt. Chalo ji. And which thoda ja pani add kita and I mixed it. And I mixed it. And so look at that. It's like lassi. And I mixed it. And ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ add ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ besan. Yeah, so I'm going to add some besan in this, guys. Chickpea flour. The obi man takriban. Oh, look at the masala. So nice. Mashallah, masala is ready. And now I'm going to put the gram flour, the besan. Right. About roughly 3 to 4 these round tablespoon-ish chamcha that I have got. I'm going to put them in, and then I'm going to obviously mix them together and pan actually. But I'm not going to show you that, guys, because like I said, I was holding the camera in one hand and I haven't got a tripod or I haven't got a stand yet. And I'm going to get one, but there you go. And yeah, there I have whisked it all together. And here it goes. Bismillah. I'm going to put all that into the masala. There we go. So sara pa liya hai in the masala, and now I'm just gonna let it cook, meaning I'm gonna boil it. You might need some more water in there. Manu thoda ja pani chahida siga, so I did put a bit of water. I can't remember how much I put, lekin main pani paya siga, so pak ke and pak ke fir zara thick ho janda na. So yeah, and I'm putting the heat up to number 8 ताकि jaldi ho jaye. And look, there it is. See, it's slightly starting to bubble, and when it's bubbling, it'll thicken up as well to your liking, so how thick you want it. Some like it really watery. We don't like it watery, we like it in between. So the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the pakoras, and I've already cut the potatoes. See, there's the masala to go inside the pakoras, the usual masalas. There I've already cut the potatoes and the onions and the green chilies. So I'm going to add the gram flour. Oh, sorry, the masala first. Yeah, and then the gram flour. And then I'm going to mix it all together and start my pakore. So please ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੋ, watch till the end, please. There you go. थोड़े थोड़े करके मैं बना रही हूँ because I don't like to fill my कढ़ाई too much, otherwise it gets squashy and they start breaking. So थोड़े थोड़े पकौड़े पाओ. Mashallah. So I was doing that, and I did want to mention to you, if anybody watches Malka, Alia and family, I think they are so cute. The family is so cute, so nice, so down to earth people, and please watch them as well. They are nice people and absolutely gorgeous. Miss Malka is so gorgeous, mashallah. So yeah, ab pak gayi hai meri curry. And I've put some of the pakoras in, not all of them obviously. Thode je bacha ke rakhe hai to eat on its own, on their own. Thode je bacha ke rakhe to eat on their own. Te dekho dhania bhi paa liya and hari mirch, because without dhania and hari mirch, oh my god, I can't do this without that. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.